So thanks to social media, the connection was made, and Mr. Ramsey, your family, they're safe. They're marooned in the district, no electricity or any network coverage, but he's fine, guys. Thank you all. The soldier that rescued him is here. He's here. He came to see Mr. Ramsey. Miss P that posted this, Chrissy is here as well. Me, there, Zoe, and his wonderful cousin Jason Murray. He came all the way from Kingston because he saw the video to make sure that his cousin is okay, and yeah, he's fine. So big up Mr. Ramsey. You're so blessed and loved, and so many persons are asking about you and wishing you a speedy recovery and everything. We love you.